Today I welcome Professor Arvind sir, examiner, and other faculty members and all research scholars. सभी का आज के पीएचडी वाइवसी एग्जामिनेशन प्रेजेंटेशन में सभी का मैं एज ए सुपरवाइजर सभी का स्वागत करता हूं और वेलकम सर प्रोफेसर अरविंद सर एंड आई इनवाइट द कविता रानी पीएचडी वाइवसी प्रेजेंटेशन. कविता रानी,
एक मिनट जस्ट ए मिनट. कविता जी आप इधर आइए. बिफोर वी बिगिन, you can listen me?
yes sir.
जी, आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करा दें डॉक्टर कविता राय एक बार. हमारी रिसर्च स्कॉलर पीएचडी मेरे साथ कर चुकी हैं और पीडीएफ यानी पोस्ट डॉक्टरल फेलोशिप भी कर चुकी हैं. जी
सर. हेलो मैम.
ये हमारी हेल्प करने के लिए आए हैं. जी
सर. जी
आप शुरू करें. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected professor.
नमस्कार. भाई कविता जी आपकी आवाज नहीं ठीक आ रही है.
सर
आवाज जरा ठीक करिए.
आवाज ठीक करने के लिए
माइक को पास में पकड़िए. ये बता रही है.
जी सर. Good afternoon, respected Professor Arvind Chauhan sir. Good afternoon, respected my supervisor, Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Sociology, NS PG College, Meerut. Good afternoon, all faculty members and research scholars, NS PG College, Meerut. Myself, Kumari Kavita Rani, PhD Research Scholar, Department of Sociology, NS PG College, Meerut. Now I am going to start my PhD online Viva presentation. My topic name is Old Age Home and Happiness, a Sociological Study.
Kavita ji, just stop. Just 1 minute. How long you will take to make a presentation? 20 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please proceed.
Introduction of the problem. Rationale of the problem. Old age home is a sociological study. Aging is a natural and worldwide phenomena. Age is the final phase of the life cycle. The steering of the phase, its impact on the role relationship and the meaning related to it vary in different societies. Aging is a global phenomena and all the countries of the world are being affected by it. Being aware of the problem faced by aged all over the world, the international community has initiated certain measures for their welfare. Old age is a natural process of life and death. Old age is a pathological process because old age and age is a physiological, psychological, sociological, and chronological change in age and aging. Old age is the last stage of human life and aged people face problem and critical situation in old age. Old age is a change of life for every people. The Maintenance of Parents and Senior Citizen Bill of 2007. This bill facilitates care for the maintenance of aged parents, the establishment of the old age people, provision of medical care, and protection of life and property of senior citizens. Contact rather than a defined biological stage and the chronological age denote as old age varies culturally and historically. In 2011, the United Nations proposed a human rights convention that would especially protect older persons. Ms. Isa, 2016, conduct a study on the quality of old age home. A sample of 311 institutionalized elderly Punjab. This study reveals the family conflict was one of the major reasons for shifting into the old age home. In developing country, aging issues have only recently begun to emerge as a case of social concern. The data is collected from the empirical interview schedule conducted in the study. He found that the quality of old age home in elderly people. So society is confronted with the major task of improving the quality of life of institutionalized elderly. Sanjeev Mahajan highlight the state of health of the aged and its social determinants in urban aged in Meerut of Uttar Pradesh. For the present study, the sample size is 300 elderly person, 150 male and 150 female. The data is collected, schedule. He found that female seem to have a better state of health than male. Merit status is not found to affect a health status of aged. However, factors like income, both of the aged and that of family, type of family, size of family, caste, religion, and resident background that matter in the state of health of the aged. Those with comparative high income living in joint family of medium size belong to high or middle range caste. Hindu and living rural background are found to have excellent, very good health as compared to this from low income group. Nuclear families, large size, joint families, low caste, non-Hindu and urban background. The results show that intervention need to be planned to improve life satisfaction among elderly people. Proper old age containing device solution to the problem of the old people are essential to make them feel part of society. There are many studies on different aspects of old age home, like health problem, loneliness problem, stress problem, depression problem, financial problem, social alienation, stricken family, and social problem, etc. So there is need of conduct to such type of study which based on social economic status of old person, problem faced by aged people in old age home. Factor behind respondent admission in the old age home. Respondent are happy in old age home. Statement of the problem. Objective of the study. The studies are thought to grow and present the current research work. The objective of the current study. My first objective. What is the socio-economic background of respondent? What are the problems faced by aged person in old age home? My third objective, to study the factor behind respondent admission in old age home. My fourth objective, to know whether the respondent are happy in old age home. Perspective approaches to observe the old age home and happiness, a sociological study. Introduction perspective would be used in the present research work. The old age home and happiness structural function approach would be a helpful study for old age pupil. Focus on study, helpful study. It is very helpful to study a method for old age homes and aged pupil study would make use of structural, functional and approaches to observe the background, the old age homes. Area of the study. The study has been conducted in 3 old age homes of Ghaziabad and Delhi city. The first old age home selected city for Ghaziabad. I select the one old age home in Ghaziabad area. Area situated at Balaji Vradashram old age home, Pratap Vihar, Ghaziabad. The second old age home selected city for Delhi. I selected the 2 old age home in Delhi area. The first old age home, Ashirwad old age home, situated Karkarduma, New Delhi. The second old age home, Shukdham old age home, situated at Wazirabad village, Delhi. Universe, sample and respondent. To conduct the study, it is purpose to work upon the old age home and aged pupil background and problem faced by aged person in old age home. The idea is to accurately study the data from the group, rely mainly on the fact to stabilize data of more in nature and stabilize research finding having realistic and contemporary orientation in the purpose of the research study. The study rationale behind selecting to aged pupil, male and female problem faced by aged person in old age homes, and aged people are helped by in old age home, and the study by a major problem for India aged people going to old age homes. In both the old age home, the total number of inmates constitute the universe of study. The 100 respondents have constitute the size of the sample for the collection of the data from the 3 old age homes. The analysis based on the data collected from these 100 respondents has been presented and conducted of this research work. The method of data collection. Specific research technique were used to collect data for this research work. The data for the present will be collected from 100 respondent purposes sampling living in old age homes. The data will be collected by some specific techniques where namely observation, interview schedule, secondary source of data, and case study method. From the 3 old age homes to the respondent, the structural functional approach hold bigger feasibility in the case of the research work. The respondent to the question asked during the aged pupil for old age home of the answering the interview. This approach of the data collection is apprehended on two basic firstly on the discuss to the aged pupil for a topic related, and secondly to be discussed the topic related interview schedule, specific method, aged pupil, male and female respondent. This technique were used to collect data, etc. Method of data analysis. The data will be analyzed by using simple statistical method like tabulation and classification would be used, and method qualitatively and quantitatively. Data collected through the observation and case study method has been analyzed through qualitatively means of analyze, quantitatively analyze of the data collected through the interview of 100 respondents. The relationship between socio-economic background and various factors has been analyzed, graphically presented, and verified by using statistics. Aspect of aging. Aging is the sequential or progressive change in an organism that lead to an increased risk of disability, disease, and death. First, biophysiological aging, psychological aging, social aging. Biophysiological aging process the life, physical and mental changes, growth and decline. Early year of the life growth predominate, and in the later year decline predominate through both this process. Also now as evolution and atrophy accompany each other from the embryonic life and continue till death. Aging generally comprise that change that take place in the later part of life when physical and mental decline becomes more apparent both to the concerned individual and the society. Psychological aging. The decline in mental ability does not normally correspond to physical changes. Generally, physical aging precedes mental aging, though that is not always the case. Some of the psychological change in respect of an individual conception of the self is ideas about his worth as an individual and as a member of social group, his feeling about the attitude and behavior of others toward him, and his general view of life and the world, including his place, then play a significant part in the process of psychological aging. Social aging. Every society has its conception of aging and age groupings. Through the process of socialization, the society ensures the transmission of social and cultural value from one generation to the next and enable its members to acquire necessary skills, value, norms, etc. According to Greenlight, some people use the chronological age as a creation for their aging, whereas other such physical symptoms, a feeling, eyesight, of hearing, increased tendency to fatigue, the decline in sexual potency, is still other assess the aging in terms of another work capacity. Their output about standards with set in earlier year their lack of interest in competing with other, lack of motivation to do things, or a tendency to remind and turn their thought to the past rather than dwell on the present or future. The expectation of the fact that they are old develop in the aged in old age complex. Meaning of older person: people who have reached the age of 60 or 65 years are called elder people. The age of 60 years has been adopted by the United Nations for the World Assembly or aging. Meaning of old age homes: an institution of elderly people who need social support but who do not need regular nursing care. Old age people in old age homes who are called old people whose age is close to 60-65 years. When their family member make them homeless, then their only place is the old age home, place where they are given support and shelter. There they are well taken care of and protected. In the old age homes, the elderly are supported socially, economically, culturally, and physically. Support for old age home. Major finding of the old age home study: analysis of the what is the socio-economic background of respondent. Age: the majority is 42, largest segment of the number of respondent in the advanced old age group, and age between 70-79 year, and 26 small segment of the number of respondent in the older age group, and age between 80 above. Gender: the majority is 72, largest segment of the number of respondent in the gender are male, and the 20 small segment of the number of respondent in the gender are female. Religion: majority is 83, largest segment of the number of respondent in the religion are Hindu, and 0 small segment of the number of respondent in the religion are Muslim. Caste: the majority is 51, largest segment of the number of respondent in the caste category are general, and the 2 small segment of the number of respondent in the caste category are ST. Marital status: the majority is 58, largest segment of the number of respondent in the marital status are widower, and the 2 small segment of the number of respondent in the 18 marital status are unmarried. Type of family: the majority is 86, largest segment of the number of respondent in the type of family are nuclear family, and the 14 small segment of the number of respondent in the type of family are joint family. Education: the majority is 26, largest segment of the number of respondent in the education are above level, and the 5 small segment of the number of respondent in the education are secondary level. Occupation: the majority is 33, largest segment of the number of respondent in the occupation are service, and the 8 small segment of the number of respondent in the occupation are labor. Income month: the majority is 39, largest segment of the number of respondent in the income month are nil, and the 18 small segment of the number of respondent in the income month are up to 500 to 10,000. And source of income: the majority is 42, largest segment of the number of the respondent in the source of income are no source, and the 6 small segment of the number of the respondent in the source of income are property. Age and gender: the majority is 44, largest segment of the number of respondent in the advanced old age group, those gender male and female are between 70-79 years, and the 27 small segment of the number of respondent in the younger old age group, those gender male and female are between 60-69 years. Caste category occupation: The majority is 52 largest segment of the number of respondents. Those who are caste category or general and occupation are such that 18% service, 4% business, 1% labor, 13% private job, 60% unemployed. And the three small segment of the number of respondents, those who are caste category are ST and occupation are such that 3% unemployed. Analysis of the what are the problem faced by aged person in old age home. Loneliness problem. The majority is 55 largest segment of the number of respondents. Those who are loneliness problem are no. And the 45 small segment of the number of respondents. Those who are loneliness problem are yes. Adjustment problem. The majority is 72 larger segment of the number of respondents. Those who are adjustment problem are yes. And the 28 small segment of the number of respondents. Those who are adjustment problem are no. Health and illness problem. The majority is 83 largest segment of the number of respondents. Those who health and illness problem are yes. And the 17 small segment of the number of respondents, those who are health and illness problem are no. Stress problem. The majority is 69 largest segment of the number of respondents, those who stress problem are no. And the 31 small segment of the number of respondents, those who are stress problem are yes. Depression problem. The majority is 64 largest segment of the number of respondents, those who depression problem are no. And the 36 small segment of the number of respondents, those who are depression problem are yes. Social problem. The majority is 84 largest segment of the number of respondents, those who social problem are no. And the 16 small segment number of the respondents, those who are the social problem are yes. Financial problem. The majority is 53 largest segment of the number of respondents, those who financial problem are no. And the 47 small segment of the number of respondents, those who are a financial problem are yes. Remember of children problem. The majority is a 63 larger segment of the number of respondents, those who remember of children problem are yes. And the 37 small segment of the number of respondents, those who remember of children problem are no. Food problem. The majority is 94 segment of the number of respondents, those who food problem are no. And the 6 small segment of the number of respondents, those who are food problem are yes. Asthma problem. The majority is 81 largest segment of the number of respondents, those who asthma problem are no. And the 19 small segment of the number of respondents, those who are asthma problem are yes. Loneliness problem, remember of children problem. The majority is 57 largest segment of the number of respondents, those who are loneliness problem are remember of children problems are no. And the 43 small segment of the number of respondents, those who loneliness problem are remember of children problem are yes. Analysis of the study, the factor behind respondent admission in old age homes. Loneliness problem. The majority is 89 largest segment of the number of respondents who loneliness problem is yes. 11 small segment of the number of respondents, those who are loneliness problem are no. Nuclear family system. The majority is 89 largest segment of the number of respondents, those who are nuclear family system factor is yes. And the 11 small segment of the number of respondents, those who are nuclear family system factor are no. Settlement of children at abroad problem. The majority is 65 largest segment of the number of respondents, those who settlement of children at abroad are no. And the 35 small segment of the number of respondents, those who are settlement of children at abroad are yes. Analysis of the to know whether the respondents are happy in old age homes. Healthy food. The majority is 91 larger segment of the number of respondents. Those who healthy food is yes, and the 9 small segment of the respondent number of who are healthy food are yes. Satisfied. The majority is 92 larger segment of the number of respondents. Those who satisfied with your life are yes, and the 8 small segment of the number of respondents. Those who are satisfied with your life are no. Happiness. The majority is 79 larger segment of the number of respondents. Those who this time you will be happy are yes, and the 21 small segment of the number of respondents. Those who are this time you will be happy or no. Finding of the analysis of case studies. The old age home is an aged respondent, religion are Hindu and caste category journal, OBC in a Gupta, Chaudhary and Chand, etc. The family type, most of the respondent are nuclear family. The case study constitute most of the them from Hindi and English medium. The majority of respondent have fixed level family income. All the elderly respondent agree that there are bad children and no support for their son and daughter. When it comes to aged people in old age home to face my problems, family members. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for the presentation. Yes.
सर नमस्कार।
नमस्कार नमस्कार भाई, कैसे हैं? How are you?
Good afternoon,
sir.
respected Sanjeev Mahajan sir, head of
Good afternoon,
department
sir. Arvind
sociology,
sir.
NSP
Arvind sir.
College, Meerut.
Arvind sir, good morning. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. How are you?
And so fine, thank you, sir. And sorry for the delay, sir. I could not join at the initial stage of the meeting, sir.
It's fine. You know, should I begin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
I hope you won't mind. Anna, there is nothing like a comment on you, but when I watched a cricket match, test match in New Delhi between India and West Indies, many people joined later, and the match started well in time. So it's all, you know, that comes to my mind right now. And since Kavita Rani ji has taken a lot of time, so I think I should begin straight away, or some other thing is to be done earlier.
No, sir. You begin straight away and ask questions to her, sir.
Okay. So I shall ask Kavita ji, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
I shall ask the questions, and then head of the department or your guide may ask the question. Sanjeev ji
Yes, sir.
and Sanjay ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know,
Yes, sir.
first of all, I'm just going to begin. First of all, it's not clear. For my own clarification, I'm just asking, how did you plan such a study? It seems that you wanted to do many things, and a clear-cut perspective is not emerging. You know, I'm going to begin with critical examination of your thesis. That ultimately, first of all, I appreciate the work that you have done, but by completing such a PhD thesis, what research contribution do you think that you have made, or what actually is the whole process? I mean, since from the selection of the problem, collection of the data, to arriving at the conclusions, how did you plan it briefly? Kavita ji.
सर मेरा जो इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल है सर, इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल टेक्निक्स जो है सर, ऑब्जर्वेशन मेथड, इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल, केस स्टडी एंड स्ट्रक्चरल फंक्शनल अप्रोच। सर ये इसके थ्रू सर मैंने डाटा कलेक्ट किया सर, सम स्पेसिफिक टेक्निक्स यूज की थी।
See, structural functional approach, as we have referred to it.
जी
If I say it is not reflected in the thesis, where is structural and where is functional? Can you explain it to us?
यस सर।
Sure, go ahead.
Sir, structural functional approach. The structural functional approach is a perspective in sociology that see society as a complex system whose parts work together to promote solidarity and stability. It asserts that your life are guided by social structure of social behavior. Interaction perspective. The social interaction is a face-to-face action and reaction, consisting of action and mutual adaptation.
Wait. Where is the structure in your study? Okay, the sample that you have studied. Could you find some structure in it?
Yes, sir.
How? If not, I'll help you out. On page number 76, you have written about religious structure. Okay. And on page number 77, you have talked about caste-wise distribution of the respondents. Okay.
Ji, sir.
Now, this is what we can call it structure. Now, come to table number 3, a religion-wise description. Okay.
Ji, sir.
Here, what we find is that no Muslim is there in a sample, and 11% Sikh.
Ji, sir.
First question is, Sikhs have a very service-oriented society. So how come it happened that, you know, in such a large number? Got the point? Sikh community is a service community.
Ji, sir.
They go for service of the others, but they themselves, as your data say, 11%. They are deprived of services at home. What reasons could you see or discover among the Sikh population in your sample?
सर आवाज क्लियर नहीं आई।